Lewmax was founded in the early 1990s by the two people who brought Arizona Microchip into the UK. Arizona Microchip had a range of products that needed programming, and they were promoting, designing in and selling those products to the customer base that they had here. They saw a gap in the market where these devices needed programming, and rather than spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on programming machines, they designed and built their own programming robotics using manufacturer algorithms in order to provide a cost-effective solution for their customers in the UK. Since Transonics acquired Lewmax back in 2006, we have relocated them to a much larger purpose-built facility in Leicester. We've invested in new machinery, new socket modules, new programming. We have written the whole software suite that runs their whole operation. It was a natural progression for us to purchase this company to provide a value-added solution and a one-stop shop. Microcontrollers, programming, one order, dispatched from one company with buffer support and all the other value add you'd have from a distributor around it that individually a distributor nor a programming house can provide in their own right.
Our service starts really from the top because we care very much about what we do. We're extremely competitive both because of the fact that we're able to design and build our own equipment. We've also got a fantastic workforce here who are extremely flexible. It means that we can increase or decrease our shift patterns pretty much at the drop of the hat, and that gives us an advantage over our competitors.
We're holding in excess of $500,000 worth of microcontroller inventory here. This cuts costs and increased efficiency. Instead of the customer having to receive product, then have to check it in, and then have to dispatch it to a third party and then receive it again, they can place one order with one programming house and we can provide them, if needed, same-day service of turnaround of product.
We very much value quality here. We like to get it right first time every time. That's backed up by our ISO 9001 approval. We have complete batch traceability right from goods in to goods leaving the door, and obviously we've got very good staff here with good training program as well.
Protecting your IP is obviously very important for customers. At Lewmax we're able to obviously program the devices, tape and mill devices. We can also laser ablate the devices, which simply means removing the top layer of silicon, not damaging the chip at all, but removing any marking of the manufacturer's part number and their logo, and then we're able to laser mark whatever code you require on the chip. One
of the things that we've also been very good at is listening to our customers and knowing what they need of us. So in one particular example, we had a customer who wanted very accurately positioned laser marking onto their devices, which wasn't possible with the existing equipment that we had. We took the idea, we came up with a concept, we worked in partnership with a laser company and came up with a solution which actually uses sophisticated vision technology so that we actually look at the part and adjust the position of the mark before we actually fire the laser. The end result was exactly what the customer required of us.
We offer a fantastic service and a competitive solution because we have the economies of scale where we're large enough to have the clout to negotiate with the right prices, but we're small enough to care for the customer's individual needs. So our customers are Fred in the Shed to FTSE 100 company, and every one of them receives the same service, the same quality, the same verification. And as we build our own machinery and we have our own warehousing and stock facility in the same building as we do our programming facility, we have an unrivaled economic cost base.
We are a tailor-made company. We always find a solution for our customers, and I think if people come and have a look at us, they'll see what value we can bring to them.
To benchmark your requirements, to see what we can do for you and the value added we can bring, it's time for you to let us have a look at those opportunities to see how best we can service your programming requirements unlike anybody else in the UK or Europe today.